Watch this. Oh yeah, baby. So all these temperature changes, doing all the tire pressures now, and we were down like 10 psi on the truck. And the trailer tires are looking a little deflated, so it's impossible to stay clean out here. Everything is filthy all the time. Yeah, down 10, it's down to 95. I did them all exactly 105 when I left the house. Looks like 20 seconds gives me 5 psi. There's one, 7 more to go. Straight. Basically the same thing that's sold at Harbor Freight, except for $19.99 versus $3.99. Alright. And I put some gloves on. There's a Love's right there. Serenity moment. Oh yeah. That's pretty. They better have a tire pass here. So they don't have a tire pass, but Love's, yeah, I know it's not. The nice lady was like, just go ahead and pull in. We'll go ahead and check it for you. Salt Lake City is 200 miles away. This is Arizona. Some more beautiful Zen views for everyone to enjoy. Really cool. All the way around. So I guess we're just gonna check out those tires every night. Excuse me, every time we stop. And I think something's going on with the actual stems. So get better stems put on them as the next plan for that problem. But gotta sit back and enjoy it while I can. As you can see, snow on the ground and flat tires. It looks like my valve stems are leaking or something. I don't know what the hell's going on. That back one, inner one was completely flat. That inner one, 50 PSI. So, I'm trying to find a place up the road that it's gonna be willing to work on, because the cocksuckers here, oh, I'm sorry, we don't work on hotshot trailers. I just wanted them to put on my spare, that's it. So, yeah. And apparently there's a bad winter storm in front of us, so I don't know what's going on, how much progress we're gonna make today. But yeah, I swear to God, it's insufferable out here, it really is. Yeah. The little DeWalt's, she's a working. I think that's gonna be good enough. You know what I really should do is put one of my spare on, because that'll be good. And then yeah, we're down 7. Okay, someone's calling me. Well, more good news. Done. Done. Well, it looks like there's more wrong.
So you see that, those vents right there on the back of your fan?
Yeah.
So that right there is your clutch fan. It plugs in right up there, so it's electronic. So when it gets to temperature or whatever, it kicks that fan on. The fan will spin a little bit on its own, but when the clutch fan, it goes up to cool it down. So when it revs up like that, there's liquids inside that clutch fan, and either you lost the liquids or they solidified, and it'll just make that clutch spin out of cattywampus and make it rev up like that.
I thought the turbo was starting to go back, because I noticed it just got louder and louder.
That's your clutch fan.
God damn.
Right when you revved it up out there, I was like, I drive a Cummins, and I know that's a big load, but these are made to pull that. And I was like, no, that's not motor, that's clutch fan. So, you heard.
Okay. Yeah, so both bearings are detonated. This gentleman is thinking we're gonna be okay on the hub, but we don't know until we disassemble everything. So, catastrophic breakdown number 5 in 5 months. Great. We'll give you an update soon. Oh yeah, baby. That's safe. Fuck my life. So usually you need to take the axle nuts off to remove the hub.
Yeah.
But I don't think we're gonna have to take them off since all the bearings are gone.
Really gone. Well, not clear. Yeah, it's probably the inner bearing, so just do it how I would do it. Yep. Pull the nut off. There we go. I mean, we'll make it clear.
So the hotshot trucker knew the way to do it. I'm just saying.
Got it. Good boy! Yay! We'll keep you around another day.
Eee. Yeah, spindles.
Wow.
Eee. No, right here. Eee.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's it's done.
Spindle shot.
That is donezo. I'd say you need a new spindle.
Say what?
Unlike the E-I-O's. It's done?
And then right under it, you put your hand under here, feel all of the grooves right here. And the worst part about it is this right here, this giant gouge.
Yeah, I know,
in the
but
spindle.
it doesn't ride on that part of the spindle.
Yes, but your bearings still spin on this part of the spindle.
Not that part, this part. That's pretty bad. can't replace the spindle on this axle.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for a while. Good morning. There's the shop. They ended up fixing up that hub again. We were able to put new bearings on, and everything was, the way it was rolling, all the scarred bits, is just where the oil is. So, but I woke up again and tire's flat again. So I'm gonna turn around, drive back, swap the spare now, and yeah. So I can't make my drop in Michigan on Friday, obviously. Monday's President's Day, so this company is closed. So now I don't drop until Tuesday of next week. So I'm just gonna take my sweet time, drive like 5 hours a day, so my clock doesn't expire and I have to take a 34-hour break. So that's that's all I can do. You know, I don't know what the hell's going on. It just, obviously there's a slow leak in that tire that nobody can detect. So yeah, man, this is crazy. But it got down to like 1 degree last night, and we did pretty good, but then the generator ran out of gas in the middle of the night. Actually, it was more like 4 or 5 when it ran out. So it was freezing when I woke up in there, so I started up the truck. And anyhow, yeah, that's it. Yeah, another day. Never assume anything is what I'm learning out here. So, and make sure there's a competent tech that works on your stuff, because this should have been identified yesterday, but it was not. But this dude knows what he's doing. So, like I said, we got a nice easy drive to Michigan, 5 hours a day, and we're gonna be stopping, checking, and prepping every single day very thoroughly. So everything happens for a reason, I guess. Well, we are rolling again over a day later, but we are rolling. Wyoming is very pretty, but there is some high wind advisories going on right now. So the speed limit is down to 60 miles an hour as opposed to 75. And we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully they're not shutting the highway down, but if there's any reason, or if this thing starts swaying, I will be pulling over again. Because again, we're not in any rush anymore, right? Tuesday's a long time from now. It's only Thursday right now. So, and we got 1,400 miles to go. So, it is what it is, but we seem to be rolling. Everything feels good right about now, so that's good news. Well, this adventure continues. High wind advisory going on, and it is brutal. Wrists of the semi trucks blowing over, and obviously blowing over. So gusts over 60 miles an hour right now. So it looks like we are gonna pull over. This goes till 7 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, I guess I should have researched before I left where I was. Look at it. Semis were moving while I was sitting inside my truck. Parking lot is like sheer ice. Look at the semi. Look at them. Oh, buddy, buddy, buddy. Yeah, it's 21 degrees with that wind on. Look at that light post. Those garbage pail lids are gonna go. The guys in the U-Haul behind me, they went and talked to the people, and there's like a little booth or something over here at this rest area. So I'm gonna brave it and go talk to them and see what they found out. But they moved. We were both at the beginning of the parking lot, and I saw them. I thought they were leaving, but then I saw them pull up behind me. So it doesn't look like they're going anywhere. But watch this. It's damn sure pretty though. Unbelievable. You just watch the trailers, you can see them all swinging. Oh man. What'd they tell you? Gonna be an eerie night in here. I need to get that generator full, or else I don't have heat unless I run the truck, which is starting to look like an option tonight. No generator, no microwave either. Alright, we're gonna have to do this. It's just supposed to get worse throughout the day, so it's Operation Generator Fill. There we go. Drop on my slippers. Okay. So yeah, the whole truck is shaking now, and on the other side of that fence, that truck, it's going westbound. Eastbound is actually closed right now, so we're not going anywhere. This is getting ridiculous, yo. Oh, my window's frozen shut. Hold on. Man, from this angle, it's like not even bad, but it's coming from that side. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm stranded on the side of the highway in Wyoming. What am I gonna eat? I don't know. There's nothing but scraps left around here. Oh, look at that. Chicken Parmesan and what is that? Rotini Alfredo. I think I'll be all right for the night. It's supposed to be like this till 7 a.m. It's 7 o'clock at night. Next 12 hours supposed to be just like this. High wind warning means hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained winds of at least 40 miles an hour and gusts of 58 miles or more. 58 miles an hour or more. I really hope someone doesn't come over that crest and screw my freaking windshield. Oh man. I've been in hurricanes in Florida before and it's felt very similar to this, except for your house doesn't move when you sit in your house. Sounds a lot like this though. It's crazy. It's 4 o'clock in the morning now, and I just woke up. It got cold in here. I kept the heater on low to conserve fuel in the generator, and I shut it down. And it was too cold in here, so I turned the truck on. The lights are too bright, and the noise and the shaking just doesn't end. And the advisory has now been switched from 7 to 9. So there's the truck shaking some more. So now I haven't slept well in 2 days because I was freezing the night before. I'm ready to go back to Florida.